Hello everyone. Welcome to day 25 of Codeover. In this video, now we are gonna change it a little bit, still going in Anypoint Code Builder, but this is now not related to the last few videos that we've been doing. Now we're gonna see some GraphQL. Let's do this then. All right, so I am already signed in my account with the workspace, I don't know. And let's publish a new asset. The name that we're gonna put here is gonna be Books API. For asset type, we're gonna select GraphQL API. For method, we're gonna select upload a GraphQL API schema. Note that you can also upload an Apollo GraphQL API schema. I think that's pretty cool. The lifecycle state is gonna be stable. And let's select the file then. So I am gonna use a file that I downloaded from the tutorial. You can find the tutorial link in the description of the video. Or maybe I can also add this to the repo. If you go to github.com/prosdev/codeover23, in day 25, you will find this GraphQL. In case the team deletes it for some reason, you can still continue this. All right, so there's the file. We have stable and everything. So now let's click on publish. All right, perfect. There we have it. So now let's go to Anypoint Code Builder. Here we have the thing. So I am gonna select the command palette like that. And we're gonna search for implement an API specification. So let's click on that. And it will ask me to sign in, which I will do in a moment. All right, cool. Let me make this smaller. Project name, we're gonna add books implementation. Let me change my project location. And now let's search for the API specification, which was books API. Maybe if I can, I found it. Okay, perfect. This is me, Alex Martinez, perfect, add assets. And that's all. So now let's create project. And this is what we end up with. We have a source, same as any other Mule project. We have source main Mule, flows, global configs. Oh, we have global configs now. That is cool. Let me take a look at that, because here in the flows, it's, oh, never mind. I was seeing some red stuff, but it went away, so perfect. I love when problems kind of just solve themselves out. Anyway, let's minimize this. So here in the global configs, let's see, we have the listener config, HTTP listener host, port. I don't think we have properties, do we? Oh, we do. Oh my God, it created everything. That is so cool. Okay, so we have the listener host, listener port, path, API path. Wow, I love this. I feel like this should be the thing for creating the REST applications as well. This doesn't get done automatically. Wow. HTTP listener host, HTTP listener port, and we have them here. So localhost 8081. Then we have the GraphQL router config, with the API being the API.path. Perfect. Then we have the configuration properties. Oh my God, it already creates the environment for you. Wow. Okay, why is this not happening on the rest? Like, I had never seen this before. It has all of the basic configuration. Oh my God. Anyway, configuration properties m/properties.properties, which is what we have here. And it's creating the global property to be dev. So it's going to be using these. That is so beautiful. Anyway, and then we go to the flows. And so we have here kind of, we have the same thing that we do when we generate the REST. There are no other handlers though, but there are two. There's an HTTP and something, and then we have the different flows. Okay, So let's see the XML. So we have the main flow with the route. Okay, then the flow for query, book ID, for books, bestseller, and so on. Right now, this is only setting up the payload so it can return something, and there are some other stuff. Anyway, that's how it works. Now, should we run this? Let's run this then. Let's go here and run. And while that happens, let me go to my Thunder client and create a new request so I can have these already here. Let me close everything else. So, okay, so we're gonna be calling localhost 8081/GraphQL. We are gonna be sending a header of content type, this one, and the value is gonna be application JSON. And then we're just gonna send the body in JSON. So this is deployed. So let's see how that works in send. Okay, we received that 200, okay, and we received this stuff. Okay, we were able to call it. So remember that I am not very familiar with GraphQL, so this is all new for me. I am more familiar with REST, so I don't really know a lot of what's going on here. Anyway, that works. Let's try another query. Let's see that we have in the tutorial, like this. Oh, no. Oh, I don't know. Oh, should I put it inside here? No. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, maybe you all people know what's happening. There are several queries that you can try out. I don't know how to put it there, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Anyway, there's that. That is how you run it. I don't know if I explained anything at all. Let me try to open the file here, this one. Okay, so this is the file that I uploaded to Exchange. So we have the schema query, type book, type author, and type bestsellers. That's all that I uploaded. So based on this file, it created that whole thing that you just saw. So I guess this is pretty cool then. Again, I don't know a lot about GraphQL, so I don't really know what's happening here, but it must be cool. Like from this, it created the whole thing. That sounds cool. Anyway, that's all for this video then. I will see you tomorrow for day 26. Keep posted for the rest of the videos. We're almost done. Okay, bye.